Hi everyone, I'm going to show you a video on how I've made these cute little 3D butterflies using gel polish. So you're going to need some backing paper, some non-white top coat, some clear EasiBuild, or you can use thick top coat if you want hard gel trained. If you want hard gel trained, I've chose two colours and it's Be Mine and Wild Fern. So if you aren't a really good freehand drawer, what I'm going to do, using the shiny side of the backing paper, I'm just going to sketch out a little butterfly wings. And this is where you're going to pop your gel polish on. So just kind of like a B shaped, the letter B that is. So I'm going to use Wild Fern first. And a small detailer brush. And I'm just going to draw around the shape of the butterfly wings. So you could do any shape you wanted really, but I've just chosen butterfly for spring. So once I've got a full coverage there, I'm going to pop this in the lamp and I'm going to cure it for 30 seconds. So once that's been in the lamp, I'm going to go over my design again with a second coat, just to make it a little bit more thicker. And then I'm going to pop this back in the lamp and I'm going to cure it for another 30 seconds. So once that's been in the lamp, I'm then going to use Be Mine from the Candy Hearts collection. I'm using this colour because it has got a little pearlescent shimmer in it. So I'm going to add a little effect to my butterfly here. You can do these as big or as little as you like. So on this one I've done a large one, and on my little finger just a little baby one. And then when I've covered this full butterfly, I'm going to pop it back in the lamp and I'm going to cure it again for 30 seconds. So next up, I've put a little bit of French white and black on a palette here, and I'm going to draw the body. So I'm just getting like a little bead on the end of my brush, and I'm going to start off by just doing a little circle for the head, and then I'm going to slowly just pull that round to make the body. And then I'm going to pop that in the lamp and I'm going to cure it. So I've done another coat on my black just to make sure this little tail end here has a little bit more gel on it for when it comes off. So next I'm going to outline the outside of the butterfly wings in French white. So just with a little bit on your brush, and I'm just going to outline right around the edges. first wing, then just come in just a little bit so you can see the separation of the wings, and then outline the bottom wing. And I'm going to pop that in the lamp and cure it for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to apply another coat. Next up, I'm going to use my brush again, or you can use a dotting tool. So I'm just going to put a little tiny bit of black on the end of my brush, and I'm going to use it to add some detail to the white around the wings. So little dots. So you can put any pattern on you want, or make them as big as little as you like. So I'm going to pop this little guy in the lamp, and I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. So to make this a little bit more firmer, you can use either thick top coat or EasiBuild, or acrylic if you wanted to. So I'm just trying to find the easiest way for you. So I'm just going to go over the full butterfly with some clear EasiBuild, and this is going to just give it a little bit of strength when it's on the nail. So you can see these ones still have that little bit of flex on there. This one's a smaller one, and I put quite a lot on so it doesn't have as much bend in there. So I'm saving the black body till last to make sure the EasiBuild doesn't run off my butterfly. Making sure I'm covering all of the edges. And then for the body. And making sure you get that little tail in too. Yep. So I'm going to pop this in the lamp and cure for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to pop some non-white top coat on, because the EasiBuild has got a sticky layer on. So instead of wiping this off, I'm going to give it that extreme shine. I'm just going to top coat over the top of it. And then I'm going to pop these back in the lamp and cure for 30 seconds. So that is the little butterfly complete. So when you take it off your backing paper, make sure you've got some gloves on, or use tweezers, and you need to turn it over and just make sure the underneath is fully cured and there's no uncured product on it that you're going to touch with your skin. We don't want anybody getting an allergic reaction. So this is a little baby one, and a one that I made earlier, and I popped a little bit marble through this one. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to do cloud nails and some embedded daisies, embossed daisies, and I'm going to show you how to apply your butterflies.